dancing, ending a Russian trend dating back to 1978. This couple, Iwona Filipowicz and Michal Szumski, were 5th in Colorado Springs. They're currently 3rd going into their free dance.
Well, it's nice to see a country like Poland continue to produce quality skaters. We sometimes say they often have a splash in the pan, one person in one event, but they've been strong in ladies, and they've also been strong in ice dance the past couple of years. As I watch this free dance, they're skating it well, they're interpreting the music well, but there's no chemistry out there. I don't get the feeling that there's anything really happening between these two skaters to really draw me into the program. I hate to use the word, but if one would say to me, show me a generic free dance, this would be it.
Well, they were 5th at last year's Junior World Championships, and coming into this event, I'm sure they were hoping to win a medal, and I think with that performance, it will be enough to keep them on the podium. Probably
at this competition it will, but in the long run, unless something starts happening between these two skaters, I don't see a bright or brilliant future for them.
Iwona Filipowicz and Michal Szumski of Poland. And their reaction at the end of the skate would indicate they think they've done enough for a medal.
As you've seen this replay, everything is well extended, good stretch, ease of transition between the two partners, but it's just no magic. What's the magic?
It's so important for ice dancers to be able to set them apart from the rest because so many free dances look the same.
Technical marks range from 5.1 through 5.5. And the artistic impression marks go up a little bit, 9 straight first-place ordinals, so that will lock up a medal for this Polish team of Filipowicz and Szumski.
Next.